Hello, today I'm going to show you a wonderful property in the hills between Perugia and the lake, Lago Trasimeno. This property is an agriturismo. It consists of two farmhouses, large farmhouses with annexes, and the other one is over there. And over 60 hectares, I think 69 hectares of land. The land is going all the way up until just below that house over there, and then the whole hill behind us here, plus a field above it, which is flat, and then going down where that pine tree, that cypress is, and it goes down all the way over here. So it's a beautiful estate, really, very big, with about 800 olive trees. They are pruning now. They have some vineyards as well. There is a pool, of course. Now it's in January, so it's normal that the pool is closed. And let me just go and show you the first house. There are 8 apartments in both houses, so 4 in one and 4 in the other one. And I'll first show you this one. It's a lovely old stone-built farmhouse with an annex next to it, where there also is an apartment. Here, I'll first show you the little apartment here for 2 persons only. See, it's a small apartment, very cute, with a white stove even inside. It's beautiful. All the old wooden doors are authentic, and here is a bathroom with a shower, and the bedroom with another part over there, up there, with 2 nice single beds, just in case. Usually it's being rented out to for 2 people here. Okay, with the kitchen, as I said, and here we go outside, and then to the lower apartment here, which used to be the stable, as always in these old houses. Okay, so here we go in this apartment. Of course, they have put some tables inside, which usually are outside in the garden. This apartment has 3 bedrooms, see, all with the old beams, stone walls, cotto floors. It's just perfect. It's a lovely style, very simple but very authentic, and furnished very well as well. Here is another room with 2 beds, the blue room, and here's the kitchen with a dishwasher as well, and here is a small toilet. This is the bathroom with the shower, and here is the other bedroom. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very nice apartment to rent out. And now we're going upstairs to the apartment that actually belongs to the owners, where they stay themselves. Here we go. We go up here. This is what used to be the original farmer's home, as always on the first floor, while the stables used to be on the ground floor. Here, from here you can see wonderful views onto the town, beautiful town of Corciano, between Perugia and Lake Trasimeno. You can see the mountain, Monte Subasio here, and here we enter the house where the owners live. Very cozy, with a fireplace heating the room, what they call termocamino, a fireplace that blows out hot air. This is the study. Here is also the kitchen unit, as well, with a dishwasher, an oven, a fridge, a gas heater as well. This is the bedroom, and here a cupboard for the kitchen, more cupboards here, toilet, shower. Of course, this part is being lived in, so it's not as hi there as neat as the other apartments that are being rented out, of course. And then here we have the second bedroom. Okay, so it's a very cozy house. I'll go and show you the other one. There is, in the annex, there is another apartment, and then the house over there, down there, we'll go there later to show you the other apartments, okay? Speak to you soon.